Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to another video. You're seeing me, so that means I am out here catching a little time to do some fishing today. Just going down to the local beach, gonna do a little surf fishing, just do the Carolina rig with a worm. I brought something I've never ever used before. I keep hearing about these Kalisa lures on Hook to Cook and a couple other channels that I watch. They use the Kalisas as well as the Lucky Craft. And I decided to give one a shot, so I bought a few. I'm gonna throw it out a few times, see if I catch anything, see if I get any bites, but I'm honestly clueless with those things. So either way, it'll be a learning experience. So anyways, I'll get right to it. I just got parking, so let's get out there. Come on, hook. Just decided to kind of come down to the beach randomly and give it a shot. I haven't been out in a few weeks, so see if I catch anything. Just kind of going for perch, typical Carolina rig with a Berkley Gulp Sandworm on it. 6-pound line, 4-pound leader. I'm getting bites already. It's a good sign. That's a bite. That's a bite. Ah, missed him. Did I get it? Yep, got it. Tiny guy. They're out there. All right, dude. Woo! Oh, fight already on the drop. Full moon was yesterday. I'm fishing an outgoing tide. There we go, got one. So, I think I got one, unless he's coming towards me. Yeah, I think I just got a little one. Yeah, little tiny one. There you go. It's not even a perch. It's some kind of perch. I do not know what he is. Croaker? Little tiny croaker? Yeah, check that out. I got a little tiny croaker, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, stick it in the comments. Anyways, it's got yellow fins. Let's call it a small yellowfin croaker. There he is. Come on, guy. Swim in the water, man. Don't make this hard. You got spines and you hurt. Not hit the surfer, that would be bad. Hey guys, I want to say thank you. I know there's 70 some odd of you that are subscribed. I think we're creeping up on 80. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I try to get these out as much as I can. Right now it's a little busy, but there's a bite. But I try to get them out, so I'd appreciate the subscriptions. It's kind of why I make them. It's fun for me, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. There we go. Oh, just missed it. Right there in front of me. Was not expecting that. Oh, I broke my line. Son of a bitch. Alright guys, I've been fishing here a while. I think I'm just gonna walk down the beach and play with the Kalisa a little bit, and if I don't get any bites, I'll call it a day. Yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, guys, I'm gonna try something a little different. This is a Kalisa. Never ever fished one of these ever before. So we'll see how this does. I've literally never even cast this thing before, so we'll find out. Oh, I got a bite. All right, this may have something to it. And I got that one bite. I think it was just something tiny with some big cojones trying to go after this thing. All right, this guy's going away. I'm going back to the worm, do what works. All right, guys, all re-rigged up. Get the camera straight. People are starting to kind of encroach on my area, so I may have to move, but I'm gonna stick it out just a little bit. You know, show them I don't want to leave. All right, good old Carolina rig with the worm. Tried and true. Just keep getting bites in this area. It must be like a trough out there. There we go. Come on, take it. Did I get him? Oh, I think it's a teeny tiny. Jeez. I know these guys are spawning, I think, right now, or I don't know what the deal is. This beach doesn't normally have huge ones, but man, that is small. That is a small fish. Pretty though. All right, he's back. Let these people who apparently like to walk right in front of somebody with a fishing pole get out of the way. It's right in front of me too, man. They're in some shallow water. That was a big bite though. Don't want it to go in that pile of seaweed right there. It's all right. Some of these small things are these little rocks rolling around, but yeah, you can tell when it's a bite because they try to swim away with it. Oh, it took off the tail of the worm. Let's throw that out there once and see if I can get anything, otherwise we'll rig it up. Come on, somebody wants a piece of worm. Oh, got a bite. Let's see if I can catch it on that partial worm. There we go. Somebody's gonna take it. Nope. Oh, does he have? Oh, I did have one. Another teeny tiny guy. I can't even tell. Damn. There you go. Yet another one. Ah, don't want them to spike me. The smaller guys are actually, they spike harder than the big guys because they're little spines. See them? They're so tiny. They go in like little needles. Come on out. The hell? Oh. Caught on my towel. There we go. This guy back and get another worm. There you go, bud. All right. Thank you for letting me catch you. And just as a reminder, guys, this is what I'm using. It's the Berkley Gulp camo colored sandworms. Kind of expensive, $9 at Walmart. Well, they vary in price they go up or down $1 here and there, depending on demand, I think. I've seen them as much as 13, as little as like 6, maybe 5, I don't know. But you just throw it on the old Carolina rig, cast out, slow retrieve. Sometimes just let it sit, you know, when the water's pulling out from you. You don't want the worm swimming opposite of the water. That looks weird. You want a natural presentation. So I kind of botched the hook job. Let me do this again. All right, rigged up. Doesn't even have to be perfect. I mean, I caught like a 24-inch Corbina with this rig. For those of you that are wondering where I'm fishing, north of San Diego, Southern California. There's enough landmarks in this video, you should be able to figure it out. Everybody probably wonders why I'm talking to myself. Some people are smart enough to figure it out. Some people look at me like I'm crazy. Maybe it's a little bit of both. There we go, got one. Little one. Well, yeah, still a little one, but you know what? He's good for today. There you go. Little dude. It's number 5. Obviously there's a school of them out here. So, real pretty. Pretty fish, barred surf perch. October's kind of the time to come out and catch these. They're mainly a fall fish. Normally they're bigger than this though. I don't know, maybe it's just where I picked, they spawned a bunch, or I don't really know what I don't know what the deal is, but it's way too sketchy. Hook myself in the pants. There we go. Get off that. Nice. All right, guys. I think that's a clue. Well, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you tuning in. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. I'll try to get another one out in the next couple of weeks for you. Take care out there, and I'll see you later.